Hello. Welcome to Everything Fact. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button.
Throughout history, this reptile has been an object of fascination to zoologists and naturalists alike. They are one of the best examples of adaptive camouflage in the animal kingdom. Chameleons can change not only their color, but also the texture of their skin to match the background they are on. Our eyes are so used to seeing a certain type of animal that we don't realize how spectacular the animal kingdom can be. The chameleon is one of these animals. In this video, we're going to take a look at the amazing wonder of the chameleon. But before we get to all of that, click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now you won't miss a thing. Chameleons can move their eyes in different directions, and most scientists thought that meant that each eye worked independently from the other. Scientists say they have discovered, however, that chameleons' eyes are, in fact, highly coordinated. Many fish and birds have eyes on opposite sides of the head, and they seemingly have at any given moment two different pictures of the world around them. But chameleons' eyes are slightly bulging, so they can focus both eyes on one object or track two different objects with each eye. The puzzling question was, does one eye know what the other is doing? Scientists at Haifa University, in Palestine, tried to find the answer with the help of a computer screen. We found out that each eye has a different role. We have the tracking eye that will continue tracking the target, and the converging eye that will converge to the tracking eye, and eventually, she will choose the target, said Hadis Ketterkatz, who is a scientist at the university. We found out that each eye has a different subtle pattern of eye movements according to her role.
Sticking the tongue out might seem like child's play, but for chameleons, it's a matter of survival. The color-changing reptiles famously flick their long, sticky tongues to catch insects unawares. Now, a new study reveals that the tongues of chameleons, particularly the smallest species, can move faster and with more power than anyone thought. The secret to the chameleon's success, the researchers found, is special elastic tissue in their tongues, which they keep folded up like an accordion.
Chameleons catch insects by firing their sticky tongues at them, and range is extremely important because even a stealthy chameleon can only get so close to a fly without startling it. Some species have tongues that are 70 centimeters, 28 inches, long, that can be twice the length of their body, and as long as the tongue of a giant anteater. But chameleons also have very long tails, and if you include this in the measure of body size, then the tongue drops to only the same as the total body length. In that case, the record would have to go to the tube-lipped nectar bat. This is just 5.5 centimeters, 2.2 inches, long, but its tongue measures in at 8.5 centimeters, 3.3 inches, 1.5 times its total body length.
Changing skin color is an important part of communication among chameleons. According to the San Diego Zoo, a chameleon's skin changes colors in response to its emotions, such as anger or fear, changes in light, temperature, or humidity. The brighter the color, the more dominant the male is, and the more attractive he is to females. A submissive male is usually brown or gray. Females use their colors to accept or reject a suitor, and their color can also indicate that she is pregnant. A new study has found that chameleons can rapidly change color by adjusting special cells, called iridophore cells, in each layer. The chameleons can change the structural arrangement of the upper cell layer by relaxing or exciting the skin, which leads to a change in color, researchers found.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.